Welcome, welcome. Yet another installment of Alley 26's ongoing series on cocktails. In this segment, we're going to do a new classic. I know that sounds kind of funny. It's like modern classical music, but this is a modern classic cocktail. It's called the Trinidad Sour. It's from 2009. A fella named Giuseppe Gonzalez up in New York, I believe he was working at the Clover Club, came up with this one. It's an odd one because it uses Angostura as most of the base. So it's a split base between Angostura and Rittenhouse or a bonded rye whiskey. So what we did is we took this bottle of Angostura and I took the dasher cap out so that I could pour it, because there's a goodly amount of Angostura. By that I mean there's 1 full ounce. Well, that sounds like a lot because, well, it is. And then we're going to balance that against, this is our Orgeat. I got an open bottle back here. Just make sure you turn it upside down. Our Orgeat looks a little different. It's got a little more color in it. We're using almonds. It's not like that the stuff you get that's just like white opalescent stuff. And it's got it's flavored with some clove, which I think is delicious. So we're going to put 1 ounce of that. Now that's a lot of sweet, right? Well, that was a lot of bitter too. So, you know, it's got a balance. And then 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Half and 1/4 more. And 1/2 ounce of Rittenhouse Rye. Rittenhouse, probably every bartender's favorite rye for making cocktails with. It's a bonded rye. Bonded means a bunch of things, but importantly for this, it's 100 proof. If you see a bonded spirit, whether it's rye whiskey or bourbon whiskey or Applejack, bonded means it's 100 proof. So that'll also cut some of the sweetness of the Orgeat. Now you can just see how dark that is. Those bitters really, really give this drink a whole bunch of color. Yeah, don't be afraid to shake it. You want it nice and cold, and you do want some good dilution on that. And of course, we're going to double strain that. This drink needs no introduction or garnish. The Trinidad Sour.